we're heading to, just made it up to Laughlin, and we're headed over to the dam to do a boat ride. And we got our captain named Chris. No, I'm sorry, Shane. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Random spur of the moment trip on the Colorado River. Let's see what's going on, guys. All right, guys. Say hi, guys. We're going to the dam on the boats. Yeah.
Cameron in it?
There go Cameron over there, guys. Rap star, boxer, writer, producer, all of the manager, all of the above.
Where are you guys from?
Wow, look at the Davis Dam.
The dam is actually just a little rock wall over there. That's the hydroelectric station. The spillway has not opened in about 10 years or better because of the drought we've all been in.
Oh,
Okay.
too low.
So now the water only comes out after it's produced electricity down by that white sign over there. The power we get here does not go to us. It goes to you guys.
Clear water, guys. Back up a little bit, bud. You having fun, Nugget?
Start messing with this gate, some guy will come out there and yell at me.
Oh, he's looking at us right now? He's watching us?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, and if you mess around too long, you get the numbers off your boat, the cops will get your own delivery. If you guys would like to jump in,
Yeah.
let me know and I'll put... Yeah, we won't do it right here, but we will down here. And you put the line in.
Go Island, everybody. Island. Oh. Breeze. Come check out Laughlin Nevada. Something a little more colorful. A lot of water. All the beach boarders. We got our policeman. We're safe. Keeping us safe. He's spraying water in there. Very nice.
This house with the cave coming up is Airbnb. Yeah, so
The locals know about this spot, huh?
over here, the flat bottoms hang out over by that palm tree.
So fish would be inside of here.
There's
Like
small
mountains and
and
what?
Yep, and they bed in here.
Wow.
So we get a lot of bed hunters back here.
Oh, they have a little of that.
Yeah, it's fun, it's fun. Our kids back here.
Nice. They probably get pretty good size out there too.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
They bed hunt. So if fishermen come out here and they look for circles in the water where the fish is bedded down.
Wow.
But we got a pretty good group out here. We got regulated.
Wow, this is a pretty place, guys. Look at this. We got water beds, and a lot of fishing and chilling back here. Should have brought my fishing pole, but didn't think about it. I got it in the car though, but didn't bring it on the boat ride like I should have. Yep. Nice houses too, on the water. Fishing spots out here. Yep, I tagged your link and your phone number. No, not phone, this is a link. Water taxi. Let's go check it out, guys. This is awesome. Pretty cool little taxi. Take you to all the hotels and all the jet ski waiting spots. And a big old party boat. Finished the boat ride with Shane out here in Laughlin, Nevada. If you're ever in the area, check out the description. Go check him out. Him and his family here, very cool people. And he takes us to fishing spots too. I love to fish, so I'm gonna come back out here and check out that too. So stay tuned. If you're in Laughlin, come check out the West Coast Laughlin for some funnel cake, ice cream, hot dogs, and a lot of other goodies. Area, nice and cool. Be careful in those rapids though. Feeling my nook in the water eating a slushy. Well, whatever it's called. 2011 Ghost. I got the camera wrong. Hey. Months jet. The Honda motorcycle that went all over the world. I don't know if it's an Africa Twin or what, but I think it might be actually. Looks pretty awesome. Stickers from every country. Dude's name is Emilio Scott. It's actually a Honda Goldwing. I don't know what year it is, but yeah, 215 countries. (1917, 1930, 1929. 1934, 1930 Ford Model A police car. Lucky, where are you? Old school tow truck from 1934 Ford. Dang, that thing cool. 1915 Ford Speedster. Never forget a 9/11 memorial vehicle on 1974 Cadillac Criterion ambulance. Thank you for whoever made this. It's pretty cool. So I got a huge engine. Yes. 1981 DeLorean, low original miles, sports luxury. This is luxury, guys, if you didn't know. '48 Packard convertible. I don't know where she is. Three CPO. 1954 Studebaker Avante R2. '40 Pontiac station wagon. 1955 Buick Century with a lot of trophies. Most favorite cars, the 1970 Chevelle, like the 68, 69, but this is a nice one. LS6 Super Sport. Got a couple of trophies also. Hot rod. 1968 Corvette. 1957 E-Bird. 1963 Corvette split window coupe. Looks nice. 1936 Pumberlet Doglet. Skyline Motor Special Story. Hey, look at the interior of that car. Looks really nice. '54 Curtis 500M. 1970 '68 El Camino SS 356. No, 396? Yeah, 396. '57 Plymouth Fury. 1957 Chevrolet. 283 horsepower. 1967 GTO. Amazing car. Look at it, guys. 400 CID V8, 360 horsepower automatic transmission. 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire. 1963 Buick Riviera. 1958 Impala convertible. 1977 Lincoln Mark V. Big body. 1957 Ford Ranchero. 1954 Corvette. Rare. Was first produced in 1953. Only 300 units made, primarily for test driving by Chevy engineers. 1926 C-Cab. And 1957 Cadillac Series 2 door coupe. The year my dad was born. Nice car. Cadillac, still going strong today.